How to recover deleted notes on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to open Notes on your iPhone. Alright, after you open Notes, you'll get this type of interface from your. I will show you how to recover it as I first delete this note from my notes. Alright, tap on delete. Okay, after you delete some notes on your iPhone, to recover that, you'll have to just back from here. For that, tap on the Option folder, just at the top left. Alright, from the folder section, you'll have to tap on the option Recently Deleted. From this section, you can easily find all of your deleted notes from your iPhone. From here, if you want to recover any notes or files, you'll have to tap on Edit just at the top right. Alright, so from here, you have to just select that node whom you want to recover. Alright, after you select it, tap on the option Move just at the bottom left. Alright, so from the section, you can manually move or recover this node to your new folder, your quick notes, or your note application. So choose any options from here, and after you choose it, you can manually recover the deleted chats on your notes. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.